Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking units and target scale so you don't rework later. First, verify the drawing's unit system and measure a known dimension on the plan. This gives you the scale factor. Once done, calculate the conversion multiplier, target divided by original, and apply it to a key wall or grid line. Make sure to save a backup before modifying. This prevents unit errors and keeps a reference you can revert to if the scale looks wrong. Now you scale every element methodically so proportions remain correct. In CAD, use the scale command with the multiplier and then lock layer properties. If working on paper, scale with a precision ruler and redraw critical lines. Once you scale structural grids and openings, verify functional dimensions like door widths and egress clearances to maintain code compliance. Also, inspect furniture and fixture fit. Small mismatches reveal systematic scaling errors that you can correct before finalizing. Finish by exporting or printing the scaled plan at the intended output size and then verify at one with a physical ruler or known template. You should cross-check at least 3 non-collinear dimensions to ensure uniform scaling. If measurements don't match, trace back. Confirm original units, check for locked layers or objects unscaled, and reapply the correct multiplier. One key troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, revert to the saved backup and repeat the scale step with a single test element before scaling the entire plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.